Hi, this is Scott McKain. The new movie, The Avengers, has set box office records. But very importantly, it can also teach us a lot about how to be more distinctive in our own businesses. Here are the lessons of The Avengers. Well, given this weekend's success with The Avengers, a third big weekend at the box office, there's no doubt there's going to be more Avengers movies coming. Why? These three lessons. Number one, repeat the experience. Be so great your audience just can't wait to come back for more. You know, unfortunately, many times in business, though, we don't ask ourselves that critical and fundamental question about what are we doing to drive repeat business? What's the experience of doing business like for customers in your organization? Do they desire to repeat doing business with you? It's the basic first step of creating true distinction. Lesson number two, refer the experience. You only enthusiastically refer something you totally believe in. It's got to be so darn good you can't quit talking about it and telling friends they have to go see it. Is your business referable? A question I'm often asked when it comes to referring the experience is how in the world do we get more referrals? Well, really, there's only one answer to that question. It's important, it's powerful, and it's one of the three lessons of The Avengers. Here it is. You've got to be so great at what you do. You create distinctive experiences for your customers, and then they will be driven to go tell their friends about how great it is. They'll spread the word even without you asking. Lesson number three is expand the experience. Find more ways for your customers to spend more money. Whether it's through sequels or ancillary products, how can your customers find ways to spend more money with you? The three lessons from The Avengers. Be sure to keep checking our YouTube channel for more information on how you can become more distinctive, both organizationally and professionally in the marketplace, how you can create distinction for your business and for yourself. This is Scott McKain. Thanks for watching.